Canton, Ohio, heating, ventilating, and cooling contractor license bond. What Canton, Ohio, heating, ventilating, and cooling contractor license bond? The Dayton, Ohio warm air heating contractor license bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install or work on heating systems that use forced air. It acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow local building codes and licensing rules. This bond involves three parties: the contractor, the city, and the surety company that backs the bond. Why is Canton, Ohio, heating, ventilating, and cooling contractor license bond required? The bond is required to protect the public and the city from faulty or unsafe heating installations. It ensures that contractors perform their work according to regulations and industry standards. If a contractor violates rules or causes damage, the bond provides a way for affected parties to seek compensation. How does Canton, Ohio, heating, ventilating, and cooling contractor license bond work? The contractor purchases the bond from a surety company as part of the licensing process. If the contractor fails to comply with city laws or causes financial harm, a claim can be filed against the bond. The surety may pay valid claims up to the bond amount, but the contractor must repay the surety for any losses. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.